Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. This morning, officially, tariff war started, and just now, probably maybe an hour ago, you can see China retaliated with an additional 50% tariff. So in total, China is also imposing 84% tariff on all goods, starting from April 10th, which is tomorrow, and that similar tit for tat tariff on whatever Trump imposes. So I don't know how Trump is going to win this war. It's looking like Trump is going to probably back down because China does not need US. China has a lot of other countries they can sell their stuff to, but US definitely needs China because a lot of stuff is still even if you manufacture in US, it's going to be very, very expensive for consumers. So I don't know what's going on, but Trump really needs to back down, and I think he will back down. There's no other choice, in my opinion. Okay, this is point of control chart. I draw this for my subscribers, but you can see here there's a point of control here around 49.38. This is where we are sitting right now, and looks like there's buyer. You can see if I zoom in. You can see there's some buyers here. Every time we come dip below 4800, 4850 to 4900, there are people buying this dip. You can see we came here again, and now again we are buying. So if this thing happens and we continue buying, then the next point of control is here around 5163, and I really want to see this top point of control reclaim 54.18, and above that is also gap fill 55.66. I will show you. So I'm looking for a double bottom like this. So price is already at previous low, looking for a double bottom and bounce, and how it looks in terms of daily chart. I really want to show you here. You can see SPX. I'm looking for maybe here MES might be a good area to show you. Here you can see MES. You can see looking for a 4 hours chart, double bottom, and then reclaim, and then this gap here. I want this to fill, and probably you cannot see it on 4 hours chart, so you have to go to 1 hour chart to see this gap. You can see there's slight gap here, okay? And in terms of daily chart, you will see it more clearly on SPX. This is SPX, and you can see there are gaps here. Massive I think it's called uh, expansion gap or extrusion gap. I don't know what one of these gaps. So anyhow, we'll see probably this gap fill here 53.89, then next gap fill 56.48, and then again for 58.28, and then finally we'll see an all-time high. Believe me or not, we will see that. Getting an 8 count SPY signal, that's also very critical information. And if I go to weekly chart, also you can see weekly also getting an 8 counts buy signal. So this is very significant. Every last time we got 8 counts buy signal, massive rally here. Here we had a buy and then dump, but again, looking for a bounce, even if it fails, that's something else. But looking for a bounce at minimum. Here also you can see 7 counts bounce, 8 counts bounce. So this is the kind of information we're looking for. 7 counts rally here, and here's 7, 8, 9, and then bounce, and then you can see 7, 8. Then we could still fail, but then eventually we'll rally. So long term, guys, long term bulls win. Just take this. Uh, just be patient and don't do anything stupid, and just keep holding your positions. Don't sell. This is not the time you sell. This is the time you buy if you have money, or hold and just go out, take a walk, go with friends and family, enjoy life with family, but do not sell here. Okay, this is not the time. You want to sell at the top, not here. And we could be bottoming anytime. We could go lower or wherever, but whenever we are done, we will be looking for a massive rally. So just remember that, and you don't want to be missing out. Okay, on daily chart on MES futures, we're getting a 9 count SPY signal here, which is very good news. That could be telling me that a bottom is very near. So keep that in mind. Nasdaq also same thing, same scenario must be coming. Here you go, 9 count SPY signal on NDX. You can see all these gaps, so you can take a screenshot of these gaps. Okay, whenever you want to see that. And on triple Qs, those gaps are here. Also, you can see on the bottom side there is a gap. Just keep that in mind. I've also bottom gaps here, green lines. So you can keep an eye on that as well. Okay, on S&P 500, also I have bottom gaps here. So just in case it falls, I have all the data here in case where it could bottom. But I think most likely or not will bottom here. I don't think we're going lower than that. Dow Jones also all these gaps. IWM also. You can look at, let it load. For some reason, trading view is pretty slow today. You can see all these gaps at the top. Bitcoin already recovering, so that could be a good sign. That's telling us something good might be happening sooner than later. So you can see here Bitcoin maybe also making a double bottom here. You can see if I go to 4 hours chart, similar story here. Bitcoin double bottom and then looking for a breakout above previous high 81,200. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. Let's see if we can get that. Ethereum very weak, very oversold. You can see light red background here. Ethereum chart next gap around 1194. Let's see if that doesn't fill, then also it's getting a 9 counts buy signal. We could be starting a new rally here as well. So keep that in mind on Ethereum and Bitcoin. And if I go to weekly chart on Bitcoin, you can see getting a 9 counts buy signal right now. So buy signals are everywhere on weekly, daily, on most of the indices. I'm gonna skip all the FANG stocks or because there's no point. All of these are in nice buy area. You can buy now for a nice bounce whenever you want if you have capital, obviously. Toronto Stock Exchange also very weak. Got rejected yesterday. Again, these are all the levels to buy. If they go lower, Hang Seng Index also came back. Could be coming to 18,000. There are some gaps here, so it had to come there to fill some of these gaps. So could be going a little lower, and it could be bottoming there. So just keep that in mind. Bond market also crashing here. TLT again coming back to fill some of these gaps. Let's see how things shape up. US oil crashing again. Oil is going to get really cheap, guys. Very oversold. Could be getting a bounce. Natural gas is falling. Oil coming for this gap fill around 3.3. Gold just keeps going higher, bouncing from this 50 EMA, but it could reject and come back down to 2722. So keep that in mind. Silver is following gold after bouncing from the support zone here. Copper is also coming near support area. Sugar is also in the buy area here. This is the area, green area you want to buy. Wheat is bouncing from this trend line. Corn bouncing from this 200 moving average. Dollar finally weakening from this resistance, coming back to support area below 101. So this is the area we want to be buying. Still can go a little lower. Again, tech stocks, there's no point reviewing it because most of these are down. UNH, massive breakout. I think they're increasing prices on insurance. So massive gap up, but this gap should fill sooner than later. So keep that in mind. Johnson and Johnson also had a crazy dump, I think, a couple of days ago. So we'll see if they recover or not. And let's just review VIX. VIX getting a 9 count sell signal today. Okay, so is this it? We'll see. We will see. Every time we get 9 counts, we get a major dip. So after that on VIX, so that could be good for S&P 500. But we'll see if that happens. Any news can. It looks like market wants to push higher. Market wants to push higher. You can see here 15 minutes chart or maybe a 1 minute chart. You can see market wants to go higher. Just waiting for a news. Let's get a news and then they want to rip higher very high. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Please hit the like button on your way out, and I will talk to you tomorrow. If there's any particular stocks you want me to review, put a comment. And if you want to join my private subscription channel, it's a link in the description. I share these levels every hour with my subscribers. It's going to be very helpful for you. You can see now Nasdaq came near buy zone and now bouncing. Could be going here around 79 and 5. Yesterday also, you can see day before yesterday bounce from sell zone dump. Here also sell zone dump. So it's very easy to predict day trades every day with massive profits. Bye.